Hey there. Welcome to Review in 3-Min channel today. We're diving into the world of convenient cooking with the Presto 070061 22-inch electric griddle. This kitchen powerhouse is packed with features that make cooking for the whole family a breeze. Let's break it down. Premium nonstick surface. The griddle boasts a premium nonstick surface, ensuring stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. No more scraping and scrubbing. Slide-out drip tray. Say goodbye to messes. The slide-out drip tray removes effortlessly, making cleanup a cinch. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Control master heat. Control. Maintaining the perfect cooking temperature is a breeze with the Control Master Heat Control. It does the work for you, ensuring your food cooks just right every time. Removable handles. Now, here's a game changer. The handles are removable. Just open the latch clips and voila! It's perfect for easy storage and fits neatly into standard 18-inch kitchen cabinets. Immersion capability. Need to give it a thorough clean? No problem. The griddle is fully immersible with the heat control removed. Easy peasy. But what are people saying about it? Well, with nearly 30,000 ratings and an impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars, it's clear that this griddle is a crowd pleaser. Easy to assemble, easy to clean, versatile, and durable. These are just some of the reasons why users love the Presto 070061. Size and dimensions. With a cooking area of 231 square inches, it's perfect for cooking up a storm for the entire family. And look at this sleek design. It's only 2.5 inches tall. And the best part? It's budget-friendly. At just $40.24, down from $71.59, it's a steal on Amazon. To sum it up, the Presto 070061 electric griddle is a kitchen essential with its removable handles, immersible design, easy storage, and premium non-stick surface. It's a reliable companion for any cooking adventure. Thanks for tuning in. If you're ready to level up your cooking game, check out the Presto 070061 electric griddle. Happy cooking! If you are interested in this, just check out description for more details.